Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about basic Unix commands. That was clever, wasn't it? Okay, so the first command we're going to talk about is pwd. This application that's open right now is terminal, by the way. So when you type pwd, it stands for print working directory, and it shows you the absolute path relative to the root path. We'll talk about that later, of the directory that the shell is currently in. This, by the way, is a terminal window to the left, and to the right is a Finder window, and we'll be using that in a little bit. So let's say we want to create a text file called Pokemon. So the command for that is touch, and then Pokemon.txt. And you can see that when we run that command, the file is created over here, and it has nothing in it. Okay, so let's say we wanted to add some text to that file. We can do that with the echo command. So we can do echo. Let's do something a little bit more appropriate for Pokemon. Gotta catch 'em all. I should do gotta catch them all. Okay, and then we use the shovel operator to append text to a file, and then write Pokemon.txt. Bada bing, bada boom. So now, let's say we want to inspect the contents of the Pokemon.txt file. We can use the cat command, cat Pokemon.txt, and we can see right here, this is the content that we just wrote to the file. To list all files in the directories, you can use the ls command. That's going to list this old is a folder I have on my desktop, and this Pokemon.txt is a text file. Unix commands also take options, so we can do ls-l. This ls is the command, -l is the option, and that will show the contents of the directory. You can see old and Pokemon.txt. It's a little weird because I have this window really small, but it's showing the contents of the directory as well as some additional information. We'll go over a couple more commands. So make dir is to make a directory. In Unix, the term directory and folder are used interchangeably. So let's make a directory called fun. We can see that fun was just created over here. And now let's use the mv command to move the Pokemon.txt file into the fun directory or folder. Again, directory and folder mean the same thing. So we use the mv command, we get Pokemon.txt, and we move it into the fun directory, and then we can see now that the Pokemon.txt file is in the fun directory. And I guess finally what we can do is, so currently we are in the desktop directory. We can see that with the pwd command, print working directory. But we can use the cd command, which stands for change directory, and change into the fun directory. And we remember that we just moved the Pokemon.txt file into the fun directory. So if we do ls, which is to list the contents of the directory, we can see that it contains the Pokemon.txt file. So I hope this video was helpful. I felt like I was speaking extraordinarily rapidly to begin the video, but hopefully you caught some of it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.